Hello all and welcome back to the channel. So let's see what they left in the trunk for me then. Trim. More trim. Perfect. Here we have the parking sensors and radars. Saved $300 on that. Smoke kills, okay? Here's the only damage the car actually had. And since I'm facelifting the car, I have no use for these, but we have some good computers on it. It's valuable. Some moldy trash. More trim, connector. One hole headlight. We'll sell that one. So now I'm going to give you a fair little warning. If you're planning to buy something from COPART like I do, they don't give a rat's a-hole about you as a customer. They just sell and then they don't care. If you look at these pictures, these are the pictures of the auction, and as you can see here, there's the oil cooler, and as you can see here, it's gone. What the forklift guy did is probably catch on to it and just ripped it right off. So all they left are the pipes where it used to sit, and they did some dings on this one as well. So have that in mind when you buy from them. Really check out the car before you load it onto your trailer, because the trucker guys who drive the cars out to you really don't care what they do, just so you know. So let's install this one then. So this is how far I came now. And then I need to replace this one as well. That goes all the way here and then up to here. And of course I forgot to order the brackets here that holds this one. So I'll have to stripe it in place temporarily until I get that part. Just so we can try and start it up. So everything is connected now. I filled up with oil. So let's see if this one starts. I'm so nervous, I've never tried it. Okay, here we go. So here I got the whole front clip, totally complete with everything. This saves me a lot of time. I can just bolt this on. So you can see everything is in here. So let's replace the hood. Yes, if you're doing a facelift, you also need a new hood. So. There we go. Facelift hood in the place. And then we just take all the old mesh and hood lock from the old one. And then we move this one over, and then we get a new one of these. If there is something I hate working on, it's a dirty car. I think I'll do a quick wash of this one. let's go. Now that's a bit better, don't you think? So I managed to find this complete front kit with everything attached to it. So it's just a bolt-on, except that this one came from the UK. Everything is identical to Euro spec cars, but the only thing that differs is that the cable to open the hood, of course, is on the wrong way. So all I have to do is switch plates with this one, and it's just a bolt-on. I'll just switch out the whole locks. A bit easier that way. So I take the locks from the old one and just install on this one. And it's set. And I give it a good clean before I install it as well. This is easier to get to the parts. So now I will install the full front clip. It's totally complete, and since everything is straight on the car, it's just a plug and play. And you really help me out if you hit that subscribe and that like button so I can continue this channel with the content I give you. Until next time, see you.